Hi, guys.
Hi.
It's Connie.
And Joni.
We're coming to you from our backyard.
And today's topic of conversation is, how do you sneeze? Connie over here sneezes like a 5-year-old, and it sounds like this.
And Joni sneezes like an elephant, and it sounds like, achoo! Seriously.
Not that bad all the time. Anyways.
It is.
Okay. Anyways, we were just wondering how you sneeze and which one of us is normal. I don't think it's normal to sneeze and not have it count. Because to me...
No, it counts.
Choo. I'm like, what are you saying? And she's just sneezing. So...
No. She's lying.
There's no lie there. So, if you could just give us some input and let us know, that'd be cool.
Love it.
Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.